Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlogs, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. Is about all the BDS students who are in their final year and they are very speculative or very anxious about their career options. सबका mainly यही problem है, and particularly not in final year maybe but in internship. People are finishing their internship and they are very confused. That is the main problem in dentistry right now. उसको कैसे solve किया जा सकता है? तो many people are not complaining actually. Many people are telling, getting DMs कि sir nobody is keeping us because of this COVID situation, and even if we want to work for free, nobody is keeping us in the clinics nor in the dental colleges. So which is a very sad situation right now. But believe me guys, the situation is gonna change. Very soon after the COVID situation gets over, you have to approach a good clinic first in order to learn work, right? Now all the doctors are getting scared because they don't want to increase the crowd in the clinic. That is the main thing. Plus in a clinic, if you come or if you join any clinic, he or she has to pay a rent also, or he has to pay salary to the assistants. And if you join there and work in particular clinic, then the doctor has to pay you salary as well. So many of the people who are opening the clinics, they are just like you only, and they have opened their new clinics and they are not that well established. So thinking that I'll go to a clinic and I'll get good salary is a wrong notion. Initially you are going to learn work. The basic motto of a BDS student after internship should learn work by any means. If you have money, do courses. Many courses are available like endo course, ortho course, so that you can do after the internship. And ortho course is just a basic course, right? So full-fledged ortho you have to do MDS. So join a clinic that will clear your doubts, that will give you some time to think about your career. Just sitting at home won't do it, and getting scared of COVID and sitting at home is another thing. So if you want to work somewhere, get a test done of RT-PCR and go to a particular clinic. Every 20-25 days get a test if you are very much scared. Or you can halt this time also for a period of 1 to 2 months, then you can join. There is no need of taking a lot of tension. There is no need of taking like a lot of stress ki अरे क्या होगा मेरा and all those things. Because you are gonna shine one day. आपका जब टाइम आएगा तो आप भी अपना क्लिनिक खोलेंगे. When the time will come, you will open your own clinic. You will have patients, you will have assistant, doctors. मैं भी यही सोचता था आपके जैसा. I was also very scared. Now look at my clinic. I am sitting in my clinic, 2 clinics हो गए एक से. So everything, the time will come slowly. So joining a clinic is very good option, and you have to learn work basically. Initially you won't get any work in the clinic, right? अभी मेरा पेशेंट है, ठीक है, अभी कोई अच्छा पेशेंट आया मेरा, और मैं तुमको कैसे उसको पेशेंट विल टेल सर आप करिए प्लीज, ऐसे लाइक दैट देयर टेलिंग. सो इनिशियली ऑल्सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि यू विल गेट वर्क फॉर इनिशियल 6 months. द डॉक्टर विल हैव ऑब्जर्वेशन हाउ यू आर, व्हाट्स योर एटीट्यूड, हाउ डू यू वांट टू लर्न वर्क और नॉट. So after all these things only, slowly you will get work, right? In the first day itself, if you get over anxious or over enthusiastic and start asking for work, the doctor won't like it. That is the main thing. और आप complain करते रहेंगे कि यार मेरे को कुछ काम ही नहीं देते हैं. देखिए observation is also a very good work. Observance करने से काफी कुछ सीख सकते हैं आप. इसको बोलते हैं shadowing under any dentist. In abroad they call it shadowing. तो मिनिमम अब्रॉड में तो कम से कम लोग 3 years तक शेडोइंग करते हैं, तो आपको तो शेडोइंग एटलीस्ट 1 year तक करना ही पड़ेगा. देन नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट जॉइनिंग MDS. If you are interested in MDS, it's a very good option, but you have to score in NEET in order to get a good college. Whatever you have dreamt of, to become an endodontist, to become a prosthodontist, to shine in any field, you need to have the degree and you need to study well in order to start. So what my journey was, whenever I was in 3rd year, I had made a decision by seeing one of my seniors, because he got into Tamil Nadu Government Dental College, and after seeing him I really got inspired. वो मेरा आप वीडियो देख सकते हैं, My Life After BDS. And आफ्टर दैट आई डिडंट नो कि मेरा क्या होगा फ्यूचर में, मैं कहाँ सेटल होने वाला हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. So at that time I just kept doing my duties जो मुझे पढ़ना था. फिर during my final year, after my final year, I started my preparation for my MDS. I started reading books, standard textbooks. After that, someone suggested me in the library कि MCQs भी करो. Then I knew about MCQs. I didn't know about MCQs also. I just started reading blindly. So the person who helped me was the All India topper of 2008, Dr. Arvind Sivakumar. And when the result came, I was so excited कि what will he get a rank or not. So when I called him up कि sir आपका क्या rank आया? He's my senior from Savita, if anybody knows. So when I called him कि sir क्या rank आया, तो he told me to guess the rank. And at that time I was like I told okay sir बताइए within 50, within 20. Then he told me I am All India rank 1. So at that time I got so much inspired, and we used to study 4 people in a table. So the second guy, Dr. Ravindra Jain, I asked about him. So he told you call him and you ask him what is his rank. Then I called Dr. Ravindra Jain. He told rank number 2. So I was so amazed, and the other 2 guys were also there. Like Dr. Dinesh was there. He got 104 rank. So in the same table I am studying rank 1, rank 2, and one more guy. So I was really inspired. So I just did my duty. I started studying even with more power and with more focus and more concentration at that time. कि मैं देखा कि अब ये लोगों को मिल सकता है गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, तो मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल सकता. सो उसी जोश के साथ पढ़ना होता है, एंड देन ओनली यू विल क्लियर अ गवर्नमेंट सीट, फ्री सीट जिसको बोलते हैं. तो MDS हैज इट्स ओन चार्म इफ यू गेट इट फ्रॉम अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज. प्राइवेट कॉलेज इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, नॉट नो डाउट, बट यू हैव टू पे मोर मनी फॉर रीडिंग इन अ प्राइवेट कॉलेज. एंड ऐसे ही होता है लाइफ डेंटिस्ट का. स्लोली आप पहले से पैसे इनकम का एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखो. पैसे के बारे में मत सोचो, काम के बारे में सोचो कि कैसे मैं एक अच्छा डिग्री है और एक अच्छा काम मैं सीख सकूं. एंड देयर आर मेनी लाइव एग्जांपल्स इन माय करियर whom I know who are like shining like anything after passing DDS only. So you can also do it. Other options which you have, like going abroad, you can go to Canada. You have to apply for PR there, and Canadian government is really helpful for students. And वहाँ पे मेरे roommate भी अभी है वहाँ पे. So many people opt for Canada also, but if there is some relative is there in abroad, then it is very good. Otherwise, you have to struggle alone. That's the only thing. I have made many videos for different countries, like how to go to Dubai, how to go to UK, and how to go to Australia and USA after BDS. So you can go and watch those videos. Canada का भी मैंने बनाया हुआ है, मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में आप जाके देखिए तो आपको पता चलेगा. So यही है स्टोरी, एंड दिस इज थिंग कि डोंट गेट टेंस, जस्ट लेट इट गो, इजी रहे और अपना मेंटल पीस रखें. वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर मेंटल पीस नहीं रखेंगे तो यू विल हैव लॉट ऑफ लाइक डिफिकल्टीज, like you won't be able to concentrate on any particular thing, you won't be able to focus. तो कैरियर को थोड़ा सा ट्रैक पे लाने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बेसिकली. तो आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. यू कैन ज्वाइन मी इन दिस चैनल एज वेल बाय बीइंग अ चैनल member. The perks are like you will get personal videos, and you can connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram ID, please follow me in Instagram. My ID is sai_dental. There also I post pictures of different kind of cases which I see daily in the OPD. And if you join me as a channel member, you have to use your credit card. The fees is very less, 30 rupees or 60 rupees and 150 rupees. And that will really help to boost this total video making thing. And to all those guys who are having doubts, I'm getting many DMs in Instagram. I do reply, but nowadays I'm worked up with something, so I'm not able to reply fast. But sooner or later, by the end of this month, I'll try to reply more faster. So that is the thing. And please stay safe in COVID situation. Always wear this mask, and don't use this kapda wala mask. Use this surgical mask. It is pre-layered. It is very useful. Only use this surgical mask. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.